When it comes to proofreading your writing, two of the most popular AI tools that come to mind are Grammarly and Ginger software. Both promise to help you write error-free, but which one really takes the crown? Stick around to find out, because by the end, you might be surprised at what I recommend. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about the basics. Both Grammarly and Ginger software claim to offer solutions for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style issues, but they approach things a little differently. Grammarly is widely known for its user-friendly interface and is a go-to for many writers, students, and professionals alike. On the other hand, Ginger software offers similar features, but also has a unique toolset that sets it apart in certain areas. So, what's the big difference? Next thing to consider is their grammar checking abilities. Grammarly is known for its advanced AI-powered grammar checks, identifying complex sentence structure issues and suggesting improvements in real time. However, while Grammarly shines in its accuracy, it can sometimes get a bit overzealous in suggesting changes that might not be necessary for everyone's style. It can be a bit heavy-handed at times. Ginger software, however, takes a different approach by focusing more on context. It's designed to catch mistakes based on the surrounding text, which can be helpful for a more nuanced direction. But that doesn't mean it's perfect. Ginger's grammar checker is solid, but not quite as precise or detailed as Grammarly's. It's a bit of a hit or miss when it comes to deeper language rules. The next thing worth mentioning is ease of use. Grammarly has a sleek, polished interface that makes it a breeze to navigate. Whether you're on the web, using the desktop app, or checking things on your phone, Grammarly feels smooth and intuitive. Ginger's interface, while functional, can feel a little clunky in comparison, especially if you're hopping between devices. But on the bright side, Ginger software offers a more extensive translation tool, which could be a game changer for those who write in multiple languages. Let's move on to integrations. Grammarly offers solid integrations with Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and even browser extensions. It's a great option for anyone who writes across multiple platforms. Ginger software, though, is a little more limited here. While it also offers browser extensions, it doesn't integrate with quite as many programs as Grammarly, which can be a deal breaker for some users. Now, let's talk pricing. Grammarly has a free plan that provides basic grammar and spelling checks, but if you want access to its advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan. The premium plan is pricey, especially if you're just looking for basic proofreading. Ginger software, on the other hand, has a more affordable pricing structure, especially for its premium version. However, while the price is lower, it doesn't always deliver the same level of polish that Grammarly provides. So, it's a balancing act between affordability and performance. The fourth thing to consider is the unique features each offers. Grammarly, beyond just grammar checking, offers suggestions for tone, clarity, and even plagiarism detection. These added features can be invaluable for people who write professionally. Ginger software also provides translation and text-to-speech features, which could be incredibly useful for international audiences or those with reading difficulties. So, it depends on what's more important to you, extra features or deep grammar checks. Lastly, after testing both of them out, while each has its strengths and weaknesses, there's a reason I'm leaning toward a better alternative that outshines both Grammarly and Ginger software. Don't get me wrong, these tools are decent, but if you're looking for a more effective proofreading solution, especially for high-level writing, there's a tool I highly recommend. It's easier to use, more accurate, and offers a free trial that's tough to beat. So, if you're looking for a better alternative for proofreading that beats both Grammarly and Ginger software, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out!